A big phone for Samsung's big February 25th launch event. New Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus release date details have leaked and we can now confirm the official launch date, Sunday, February 25th, according to Samsung. February 25th is when the Samsung Unpacked 2018 launch event takes place in Barcelona at MWC 2018. We'll see the standard Samsung Galaxy S9 there, too. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus launch date is February 25th, according to an official invite sent to us by the company. That means Samsung Unpacked 2018 is happening one day ahead of MWC 2018. We have no doubt that the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus will have a big, curved Super AMOLED screen. We don't know exactly what size yet, but it's likely to stay around the same size as the 6.2-inch Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. The closest look we've had at the Galaxy S9 Plus is perhaps a render showing it alongside the standard Galaxy S9. You can only see the front, but it looks a lot like the Galaxy S8 Plus, complete with the same button layout, but perhaps with slightly smaller bezels. Samsung may be working on a camera that can shoot at 1,000 fps according to some industry sources, allowing for very high-quality slow-motion footage. The brand announced a sensor capable of this last year, so the Galaxy S9 seems like the right time to unveil it. Update: the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus launch date is confirmed for next month, and new rumors suggest a familiar 3,500 mAh battery size. But we may see changes to the camera and materials the phone is built from. Here's the latest S9 Plus news.